chill.
Maybe I'll take the top bunk. Yay! Everything pink for my kitty.
Hell no! I'm going to take it.
Ew! Let's decide this properly.
Ouch! Ouch! Fine, you win! Ouch!
Cats 1, dogs 0.
Anyway, Milo is afraid of high. This is so satisfying. Good mood. I can use this for the room. Oh, later.
Kitty doesn't like these pillows. Bye-bye, Mr. Teddy.
Ha! I'm blue. Dabba-dee-dabba-die. Dabba-dee-dabba-die. Wow! It looks better than I thought.
This is heavy, but looks amazing. Kitty's going to love it.
There you are.
Oh, my baby.
How's the room going? When will it be finished?
Oh, I love you too. Wishy, 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 wishy.
Naomi!
Oops, I'm sorry.
Even together, they look great.
Ready to decorate them.
Yay! I love decorate.
Huh? Mine will be better.
Let's see.
This dog door space is perfect. Wow, perfect for him. But something is missing. Luckily, I saw DIY tutorial. Easy peasy. Milo's entrance is ready.
This frame is amazing for cats, but too smooth for kitty. I know.
Huh? Ugh, morning breath.
Excuse me?
Huh? Girls, again?
Sorry, Dad. I just need the brush part. Right? The important. Now I'll paste them all over the edge, so I made a brush door. There it is. A brush door for kitty's fur. I wonder if it works on me also. Wow, it's so nice and pink. Okay, enough. Oh no! Help! Help me out! Help! I'm stuck! Push! Naomi, push me out!
I'm pushing. Ready? 1, 2. Ouch!
Sorry. Thank you.
No problem. My head.
Aw, these cuties are perfect for the walls. And I just need color markers for that. Put the stencil and color it with the markers, like this. Oh, cute as kitty. Wow, I'm just too good at it. Those stencils are awesome. I did it all over the walls. Do you like it, kitty kitty? Of course, she's sleeping again.
Whoa! I'm going to make some too, ha! Let's prepare the stencil and color it. He doesn't look like Milo, but dogs are dogs, right? Done! I also make some black paws to balance the pinky neighbor. Oh yeah, I'm an artist. Do you like it, Milo?
Blue matches better with some pink, don't you think?
Pink? Really? Who will guess?
What? Pink is great!
Wow! I'll make some toys with this heavy pole and this rope. I will make a scratch toy for her. Just tie the edge of the rope and surround the whole pole with the rope very tight. Of course, it has to be full of colors, so paint it. And it will be ready for Scratch. Scratch a toy for file nails. Ouch! Well, kitty's nails. Ouch! Ah!
Huh? Maybe she just find a bug? Meh. Yay! Let's continue making new toys for Milo. We will need the sleeve of an old sweater, an empty bottle, and some snacks too. Fill the bottle with his favorite snacks. Milo loves little bones. Once it is full, put on the lid. It smells delicious and is also very noisy though. Now cover the bottle with the sleeve, like it was an arm. Now tie the edges in a funny way to catch his attention. Done! Milo, look!
Who? Me?
Milo! No, grr, grr.
I'm a man now, not a child, Naomi.
Ouch! I better go.
And the family wall is complete. What else? Oh, the bed. Excuse me?
I'm half naked. Oh, girls!
Whoopsie daisy! Pillow and an old sweater. With the sweater, cover the cozy pillow. Fold the waist part to hold the pillow and fill the rest with cotton or any filling. Make sure it is full fill. It has to be cozy. Then join both sleeves like this, very tight. Settle it. Every space has to be cozy. Alrighty. Here, between the family. Milo, come here. New cozy bed.
It's cozy and and looks like it's for grown men like me.
Oh, my little baby. Wishy, 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 woo.
My kitty loves to sleep. I got an idea. 1, 2, stockings out. I'll make an awesome bed with this and her favorite pillow. Even the colors match. Make a carry-on tie for the pillow like this to make a hammock. And hang it to the roof. Woo! Stretchy and comfortable. Kitty, try this. Your new bed. Really, girl? Look, it's nice. Ouch!
Huh? Are you okay? I'll take it like a yes.
Never mind.
Go, go, go. Milo, are you thirsty?
Well, you read my mind.
How? I saw it on 5 Minutes Craft. A drinker with Velcro strap and a water bottle. Stick one part of the tape, the other one in a pyramid base with the water bowl. Once it is set, open the bottle. Water will flow and fill the bowl. And once it is full, it stops itself.
Shots, everybody!
Baby, wishy, 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 wishy.
Brilliant idea! Anyway, I have a gadget. This fountain for classy pets. And I just have to fill it with water and turn it on. Perfect gadget for perfect pets. It even looks like a real fountain. Here, kitty. I know you're thirsty. So, try the fresh water. From a fountain? Look, it's easy.
Lola, are you there?
Yes. It is a fountain for drink.
I just bring you this, in case you are thirsty.
Thanks. Okay. Lolo, where is my meal? Regular plate? Boring. No, I have something for you. New gadget. Wow, it looks better than on the website. Wow, look at this. It's a fit toy gadget. Remove the lid and fill it with snacks. Then join both sleeves. Like this. Very, very tight. Look, kitty. It's like a plastic ball, but you have to hit it. Every time you hit it, it will give you snacks.
I'm starving, Lola. Ooh, it looks expensive and classy. Come on, ball, feed me right now.
Oh, you love it! Finally!
A feed toy gadget? She thinks she's very smart. I have my own gadget. Feed toy gadget. Whoa! It looks better than on the website. Yay! Let's try it. Fill the holes with lots of snacks. They have to be little. Set each one in a hole and hide them with little sliding lids. Milo, come to check it out.
What is this technology? Look, a treat! Oh, wow, yum! What? It's full of treats!
Oh, you got it. Huh? So fast?
Call me when there will be more, girl.
Is that easy? I think I should try it. Yes, with some candies! After washing it, of course, and over a rotating center table. Let's fill it with different candies. Sliding lids, cover up. Let's put some more candies. Excellent snack bowl for parties. And with an improvised red arrow, nom nom, which one I will try? Show me my luck. Super snack roulette. What is under the purple heart lid? A bunch of Skittles. Yay, my favorites. Nom 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 nom. Eating like Milo. Nom 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 nom.
Hey, Naomi, where? What? Naomi!
Oh, hi.
Nice moves!
The sofa is great.
You need a bigger bed. All cars has an extra tire. Milo has just one bed. I got it! With the tire, I will make a bigger bed. I saw this hack on YouTube. Remove the inner face of one side of the tire. Now paint the tire. I will do it white. It has to match. Once the base color is ready, time to decorate the tire. Spray paint is much better for this. Oh, Milo is going to love it. Orange is totally him. Now we need a bigger cozy pillow to put into the tire. You can make one with cloth and filling. So you can measure the coziness. Make sure the new pillow fills all the tire and there is comfortable. Time to set it near the sofa. Milo, come to check it out. So cozy.
I'm confused. Are you a dog too?
Look how nice it is. cute.
What is she? I'll make a bed for you too. With this old wood box.
I prefer the hammock.
Don't worry, I'll decorate it. I'll put your favorite blanket inside to make it comfortable. And with some toys and decoration, it's a perfect bed. Let's not forget to put some colorful and funny stamps to cover the old wood color. And it's like a brand new bed. Look, it matches with the room. Perfect. Kitty, come.
Lola, seriously, not in the mood.
What is she? The toys. Oh, really, Kitty?
Don't tell me I didn't warn you.
I guess you don't like it.
We need new awesome pictures. Oh, I will make the coolest frame. I just need a cardboard and a marker. You will look so brave and handsome. Oh, look what Mommy has done for you. Hi, Milo. I am Crypto.
Look, I'm a super dog.
Oh my God. You look so cute. Oh, smile for Mommy. Now this angle.
Okay, too much.
Milo, my little Hollywood star. Oh.
Why so noisy? I'll steal her idea. I also have cardboard and markers.
What? It has to stop.
What do you think? I'm Batman. Kitty's for you. Come, one picture.
I mean it, Lola. You lost it.
Oh, you look so cute. Let me take a picture. Huh? Kitty? Where is she? There you are.
Play dead. She will go away.
What do you think, Milo?
You could do better, but it's okay.
Oh, your secret room is totally you. So peaceful.
Oh, my little cutie princess. Classy as your secret room.
Oh, if it is secret, why are you still here? Look, you're amazing, but cats are independent. Leave me. There she goes again.
My room is better. Just saying.
What? Not a chance.
Mine is so much better.
My room is better.
No, my room is better.
My room is better.
My room is better.
My room is better. Kitty?
What?
What? Blue matches my personality better.
Let's spy up there. Trader.
Look, Kitty gave me her bed.
Should we change rooms?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Move, please.
You move. Let me pass.
Oh, do you like it? Finally, you look satisfied.
You know what? I actually love your positivity.
Oh, I should know you like pink better.
Pink? Come on.
Whoa, even the view is better. Bye-bye.
See you guys.